one of the things that I admire most about entrepreneurs is that they'll come up to a stone wall, and they'll sit there and they'll try to bang through the wall. They'll try to bang through the wall, and some people would walk away, and they'll go think about it overnight, and next thing you know, they walk around the wall, right? There's so many reasons why a startup company should fail, versus a company that has a lot of resources, a lot of market share, a lot of customers. And the reason they succeed is because somebody has the nugget of an idea and a passion to make it work. They have the people who are dedicated, and they adjust along the way, right? I've never, in my 27 years in the venture business, I've never seen a business plan that we initially funded on the first round actually get executed exactly the way that it was supposed to be, right? Almost everybody changes path along the way, and they do mid-course corrections, and it's really important.